talking about the hormones of stress response and the purpose and goals of the body's stress response system, the pathway of hormone production for the adrenal gland, um, and how this pathway is regulated and what can happen when stress is prolonged. So, the body's stress system serves various purposes. The stress response system is rooted from our intrinsic human characteristics of survival. Stress response helps the body survive stressful situations by giving it the necessary energy to flee or fend off in stressful situations. For example, when the body is stressed out, it triggers the release of hormones such as cortisol and adrenaline, which helps increase alertness and increases blood pressure, which is needed in difficult situations. The body also triggers the release of glucose of fat into the bloodstream, which acts as a quick source of energy when it is needed in stressful situations. That's how you're able to run on adrenaline. Um, and you're able to run on this adrenaline when you've not been sleeping or have very lack of energy because you have these hormones that are able to give you the energy, this quick energy that you need. The body can also turn off non-essential functions in response to stress in order to focus all of its attention on the threat at hand. It is able to turn off non-essential functions such as the digestive system and immune system in order to focus on the essential things at hand and fighting off the stress. So here are the adrenal glands. They're responsible for producing the hormones adrenaline and cortisol along with several others. So the production starts above at the top of the kidney. They're composed of two parts, the adrenal cortex and the adrenal medulla. The adrenal cortex produces more than 25 steroid hormones known collectively as corticosteroids or corticoids. Some examples include mineral corticoids, which regulate the body's electrolyte balance, glucocorticoids, which regulate the metabolism of glucose and other organic fat fuels, and sex steroids, which have various reproductive functions. The adrenal medulla releases a mixture of catecholamines that increase energy in response to stress. It enables the liver to boost glucose levels by increasing glycolysis and gluconeogenesis. Stress response is very important for the human body, but can be harmful to a person's physical and mental health if the response is not regulated and not constantly going. So one of the main ways that the stress response system is regulated is via the HPA, which stands for hypothalamic pituitary adrenal axis. This axis stimulates the production of cortisol, which helps mediate stress response. Another way stress is regulated via the renin angiotensin aldosterone, which helps regulate blood pressure. So this is my little spew on the adrenal gland and how it produces various hormones to help people in stressful situations while also regulating it so you don't experience bad physical or mental health.